We're over here at the bamboo site, and it's thick over here. The new mower, we didn't put, the new mower is, well, the new mower about to run out of gas, so I'm going to put gas in it. I want to let Francisco get a little further away so y'all can hear me. So we got issues again with the trailer, and that's what happens when sometimes you try to do a quick fix. So y'all know last week I put that piece of steel on there, and now this piece of steel right here is coming out. So yeah, what I know, I should have went on and put the whole damn sheet on there, but I didn't. So what I'm gonna have to do now is I'm gonna cut me 2 more pieces of this right here. I'm gonna cut it a piece to go right down through here on this piece of ramp, and right there on that piece of ramp, because see, that's pulling away already, you know. Now I might be able to bang it back up there and tack it down, but I ain't with it, man. I'm gonna get some of this right here. I got some at home, like y'all saw, and I'm gonna put it right here like this. I'm gonna put it right on top of this, and then I'm gonna cut this piece out, and then I'll tack weld it. I'm gonna cut it right up against the stud here, though. See, over here I cut it halfway down the stud. So yeah. But I'm gonna put y'all on the tripod, and I'm gonna go over. I'm gonna cut that piece of grass up there with the new X mark. We're going, and ain't no more gonna cut that and not double cut it. It's just a little area, so right up there on the other side of the driveway on the power line. This grass is wet, nasty, and boy, it's freaking stupid clumpy. I don't care what mower you got over here. You ain't gonna not have to double cut or triple cut. So people can say what they want to say, but I'm telling you, I've been doing this a while, so I know. Yeah, so we're gonna change the oil in that mower today. That mower's got 12 hard hours on it already, and I think 12, something like that. But let me grab the tripod. So y'all see all this behind me? Would you take $100 to cut that? It's from right here over to the wood line and back down to the driveway. $100. Well, I will. So this car gonna be the tallest thing that this the new X-Mart has cut yet. So, and it's real. Y'all see it's real thick in there too. So I'm gonna set y'all on. I'm gonna set y'all up somewhere in there. Let me get the motor. I'm saying, y'all, if I can't cut it, can't nobody cut it, man. And I know there gonna be guys, but a Skag would have cut that in one pass. You a damn lie. Ain't no way, ain't no mower I've ever seen. Even a bush hog wouldn't cut that in one pass. But yeah, but about 12 minutes right here, y'all. $100, you know. And I would never put a mower in here if I didn't know the ground. See, I know there's nothing in here. Nothing hard in here, no rocks in here, no sticks in here. It's just straight green. So, yeah. All right, I got to get down here and help Francisco wrap it up. Peace out. Okay, y'all, so I just kind of want to show y'all the water line and how we did it, or how he did it. I didn't do nothing. But we got it running from outside, and I'll walk around outside too. There's a shutoff right there. You got it going up, all the way over, back down. Then you got it split off to the refrigerator ice maker, and the water, you know, thing on the freezer ice maker, water, whatever, all that, you know. We got a spigot right here, and he didn't want to put it right up against the metal, and we didn't want to. So I told him, hey, we got pressure treated wood all over the place, so we can do this. And then if y'all look back there, and keep in mind, we got to cover everything up. There's another spigot right there, and there's going to be another one on the other back corner, and it's coming all the way from the house down there. So we got to bury that line right there, not a problem. And well, all this is going to get. This fence is going to move, like I've been telling y'all. It's going to be in the off season before I do that. So all this will get graded, sloped, and then probably a big lean-to right here. So, yeah. But just another step, you know, on the shop. So now the shop has a big power, got gutters, it's got drainage all around, you know, for water coming off the gutters, a big trench in the front here. It's got the lights, it's got TV, internet, Wi-Fi, and now it's got water. So yeah, and you know, y'all know what's next. AC. Well, I'm still thinking about how I'm going to do that. I'm not sure about paying $5 grand to get the ceiling spray foamed, but if I hit a lick, I will. But I don't have to do everything in 1 year. This is a pretty good bit that I've done to this shop since I've had it built, and I really haven't taken a hard hit on cash flow or nothing. All I owe is $10,000 on the building, and I don't owe anything on the power. I don't owe anything. I got to pay the plumber when he gets done. I don't owe anything on the concrete floor. I don't owe anything. All 10 grand is what I owe. So and it's a 30 by 40 with 14-foot ceiling. So it's freaking badass. But having water in here is critical. I got a refrigerator in there, an ice maker in there. So yeah, I'm gonna be able to rent this bitch out for an apartment, man, if I want to. Maybe when old Budweiser comes back to town, I'll let him crash out here for a minute or two. I kick it.